Okay guys, so let's set up our first of all image file in our model section. So first of all, open up your Google Chrome and type here static setup in Django, and you will go into the first documentation of Django, and then you will see something like this. Okay, so we need this static directory. So come here and go into our setting, and you will see the static in here. So we will set up our media directory and to upload images. So we don't need this directory, this static. Okay, so just come here and media URL, copy that, and go to URLs and paste in here. So the setting and URLs is not finding that thing. Okay, so we need to import setting. Come back, first here. Okay, setting and is imported. Also need the static. Okay, so static also imported. Okay, let's set up the static files. Okay, copy that and paste here. So we have both the static and the media URL from setting. Okay, go to our setting and we have to, okay, we don't have the media URL, we only have the static URL. So let's see where is our media URL. Okay, so we need to define the media URL, I think. Okay, I think see. Okay, so let's copy that and paste in here, and static should be URLs, and copy this media URL and paste in here. Okay, this would be media URL, and there should be a folder where the images will be uploaded. So this should be, we will call that media. Click save, and yeah, we are good. So our media setup is done. So we need to now we need one more thing, install below, pip install below. Okay, you can see the below is installed. After installing below, after the title, I'm going to give here image equal to models dot image field. Okay, so blank should be true. Okay, null should be true. So yeah, if I click save and I have to run make migrations, and our image is in the make migration by. Okay, now run method.py migrate, and now we can add records, and I will upload a simple image. Okay, have that. Okay, click save, and you can see the image, the post is uploaded. Okay, so this is our, there is our image. If I click over it, our image is showing, and it's in the media folder. See that. Okay, open up our Django directory, and there is our image showing here. Okay, so that's it, I think. Okay, give this a slash and click save, and go back and choose another image. Okay, this image, click save, and go to that our saved image. Okay, there is our image. If I go into my localhost, my folder, okay, there is our image showing in here. Okay, we haven't defined a upload path, so that's why it's showing in here. So let's go back to our model and give here upload to directory. Okay, give here a directory name, that is photos. Okay, so that's where the images are going to be uploaded. Okay, so let's come back and make migrations again. Okay, we have to save that migrations. Then I'm going to run migrate. Okay, now I'm going to run the server and delete the image from here, and let's upload the images again. So let's go back to our post and now upload again. Okay, let's give this blue one, now save, and if I check here, there is a photos image created. If I click over that, this is our image. So in the photos directory, so our image setup is done. Okay, so let's create our API. Okay, let's open first of all go to our URLs and views. Okay, copy that class and paste again. Okay, we are going to call this post create view, and this is going to be our list create API view, and it will go into our post serializer. Okay, so we need to define a URLs, copy that path and paste over again. Okay, post create post. Okay, what name we have defined here, post create view, copy that, go to URLs and paste here in again, and we should also import that post create. Okay, click save, and yeah, everything is well. Now open up Postman to check our API. Okay, the Postman is running. Postman, request. Now we are going to copy this endpoint and paste over here, and this should be our post request. Okay, so click send, and it's saying that is not found. Okay, API.post. Okay, so there is a click send, and this is our validation is showing. So type here title, and okay, let's go here and click on form data, and okay, let's remove the params. Go into form data. Okay, now give here a title, and also a description. Copy that, paste in here, and we'll give here file in the Postman, and we will name that okay, what is our model name? Okay, go here, and this is our model name. Copy that. It's going to be image. Paste in here and select a file. Okay, let's with that and click send. Okay, it's not accepting from data. Okay, so it's saying that this field may not be blank, so type here title, okay, me computer pic. Okay, now click send, and there is our photo is uploaded, and you can see the ID number is created. If I go and refresh in here, you can see that the post is uploaded and there is our image. Okay, so yeah guys, that's how you can create post in Django REST framework with images. So I hope you liked it. Please subscribe and hit the like button in my video. Bye bye.